Are you curious about brands I use for my mind, body, and soul? Or maybe you are looking for recommendations for great brands to shop. I don't know. Or you just want to know what brands I use in making all those wonderful and dope ass recipes I have on my website. Well, if that is the case, then you don't want to miss this video. In this video, I go over 5 Ghanaian brands that I use on an almost weekly or daily basis and rave about all the time. P.S. This is not a sponsored video. I just really love the brands I'll be featuring. Edan Tree. Listen, every recipe on nanakonamah.com has an Edan Tree product in some way or fashion. They are a fresh produce company based right here in Ghana. My favorites from them are their cut fruit and cut coconut, which I exclusively use in my coconut milk recipe. Try their already crushed garlic and ginger. Trust me, it will save you a lot of time peeling and chopping garlic for your dinner recipe tonight. Because honestly, that's what takes all the fun out of cooking. Peeling and chopping garlic. So much work. The next brand that I absolutely love is Gourmet. Raw, pure, and wild, right? Just as the name suggests, Gourmet products come with nothing added. I love the brand because the makers are really dedicated to selling value-added wellness and beauty products from right here in Ghana that are guaranteed to do no harm. I use Gourmet moringa, baobab powders, plus I use their raw cocoa butter in my own homemade shea butter body cream. So go ahead and get you some and get smooth like me. Yeah. Judy Foods, okay. Everybody who knows me knows I'm constantly talking about Judy Foods or eating their plantain chips. Just here enjoying a bowl of my favorite snacks. And it's really for good reason. This brand just impresses me consistently with their consistency and their ability to constantly level up. Not only do they up their packaging game in the recent years, but they partner with some dope local brands to open up a Made in Ghana Mart. Now this Made in Ghana Mart has all these amazing value-added Ghana brands. I mean, talk about just getting better and better every single year. Snacks of Africa Sowa coconut chips. I could go on for days about this brand. Not only are they delicious, but they go with everything. Hot chocolate, Sowa chips. Need a mid-afternoon snack? Sowa chips. Broken hearted, you need to pick me up? Go ahead and get you some Sowa chips. Yeah, they're that good. And finally, Pure Persona by Nana. Shameless plug. I mean, guys, there was no way I was going to do an edit about brands I love and not include my own. But seriously, it is because I know the time and effort I put into building this brand and launching our first product for hair called the Discovery Kit. I really took my time to develop a formula that could work for all hair types, but with 4C textured hair at heart. You know, I had to do it for the 4C people, for the foreseeable future. I foresee moisture. Visit our Instagram or head to purepersona.com to shop today. I'll wait. Okay, you back? Great. Okay, so that wraps up my favorite Ghanaian brands I can't stop talking about. What are some brands you love? Comment below and let me know. As usual, all the fun goes down at nanakonamah.com. I will be headed over there to join you guys in conversation. You can also visit my website to learn more about my Egyptian to help you find your authentic self. Yeah.